me start off by saying I have no idea what I'm doing at all. No clue. Finally gonna work on the Focus today. Like I've been saying in the past few videos, I am going to get the ESR wheels and tires on the Focus. Hopefully I have everything I need. Adapters right here, tools, grinder if I need it, lug nuts, more tools, jack. Should be good, but we'll see. So the first thing I did, I put the wheel next to the car and I tried to even up, even it up to where it's going to be centered and sitting on the ground. This is basically, I don't want to raise the car at all. I can if I have to because it's on coilovers, but I don't want to. And then I just took a Sharpie, a silver one, you can see the line right here, and I ran it down across, from keeping it flat on the tire here, ran it down all the way down there and all the way to there, because that's where it ended. So I'm hoping, I'm just gonna get the grinder out, cut that off, and there you can see the see the difference there. Hopefully they fit after that. If not, I can do some more trimming and whatnot, but I'll make them fit. I guess it's all or nothing now. Got the mark all the way around. Got the old crappy rim and tire off. Grinder's ready to go. Extension cord over to the outlet over there. All I gotta do, I don't know where I put them. I got some safety glasses somewhere. I probably won't wear them, but I have them on. And I gotta turn the switch on in the house. Oh boy. I don't know why I'm so worried about it. Like, it's a this for Christ's sake. I guess that's probably going to be the best angle. Not really sure, but you'll get the hint. Something happened. I'm just kidding, nothing happened. I cut the damn fender. Did exactly what I wanted to do. So that's the piece I took out. Still got a little bit to clean up right here, the little tab, and then over here, see how the line comes straight down? I gotta get that off, which I might just use snips or something for, but there's nothing behind the fender liner that I'm worried about. It's just all metal and stuff like that. I was careful around the windshield washer fluid tank. I didn't even nick it, so that's good. Fender liner obviously has to come out because it's in the way. I might just cut that back, I'm not sure, because it was never attached here or anywhere over here to begin with, so I might just cut it out. Yeah, I gotta cut the bumper, and for that I only need to go to here, but there's a seam right here. I might just end up running that all the way down to right about here somewhere, and then like rolling it out maybe. Or I might just go to here. I don't really know what I'm doing yet. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, I think we're ready to put the tire on now, the new one. So bumper's cut. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have to clean this up. I'm literally just cutting, test fitting, cutting, test fitting. But yeah, the fender's all cut, the bumper's cut. I cut the inner fender liner back. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to mount that back up, and I may end up having to remove the washer fluid. Adapters slash spacers are on, so I guess I can uncover that and put it on. For the moment of truth. I didn't tighten them super tight, but let's see if it works. Alright guys, there you saw it. I had a little help from my son holding the camera, and he was on fire watch earlier. But anyways, I'm gonna have to trim a little bit more off around the back side for when I turn. It's pretty tight right here. There's like a little over a finger width. Inner fender liner obviously gonna have to come out. I might try to make something for the washer fluid tank, or just take that out. Yeah, like I said, inner fender liner's got to come out. It's touching right here, and even if I put it up, it's still gonna be really freaking close. And then the front, same thing as the back. It's almost touching right here, so I'm gonna have to trim some more of that off. But I knew I'd have to trim some. But it's all the way down. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, see, there's the jack. It's on its own weight. These things are gonna be freaking sick once I get it finished. Now that's not super wide, but it's just wide enough. Now keep in mind that these ones are 18 by 9.5, and the back two, which are the bottom ones right there, are 18 by 10.5, so they're going to be another inch wider in the back. And the back's going to be the fun part, because the door, that's going to be the fun part. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take enough out of that to get them to fit, but we should be okay. I'm thinking for the back, I mean, see the, oh, you really can't, but here's the wheel gap. So if I put that on there, I might only end up having to take just at the seam there, but we'll find out. Alright, so I trimmed what I needed to trim. Hopefully that's all I need to trim. If I have to trim more, I will. But yeah, so I cut, I think last time I was like up in here, all the way down to about right here now. I cut some more of the fender liner off. I'm gonna end up just ripping it out, but for now I want to get the tire and stuff on here and without any issues before I clean it up too much. And then I ended up cutting down to here from about here, so I'm just gonna take a grinding wheel now and clean this up a little bit so there's no sharp edges. I have some primer I'm probably just gonna spray on there. Not that I'm gonna drive the car, but you know, just spray it on there just in case. And yeah, that's probably going to be it for the day. I cut a tree down last week, so I want to do some more to work to that, getting that cleaned up before it gets dark out. So yeah. Alright, so I got it all cleaned up. All I'm going to do now is, I've got some tape here. I'm going to tape off, you know, back in here a little bit so I don't get too much overspray. And then I'm just going to paint in here where the bare metal is. Try to get the best I can. Call it good. For now anyway. Like I said, I got a tree over there that I cut down, and I want to clean it up a little bit better than I did. And of course my neighbor starts his rig. guys, that's going to be it for part 1 of widebody. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car_dude. And I will see you guys in the next one. We're going to do probably the back, since there's more room on the driver's side. Yeah, probably going to do the back next. This is about as far as I'm going to go with this one for now, until I can figure out what all I need to finish it. But yeah, I don't think I'll have any rubbing. If I do, there'll just come more. But there's that view. Gonna be quite a bit wider.